Favicon fonts and colors. To upload a favicon or alter the fonts and colors used by the theme, visit the Appearance Customize tab. Under Site Identity, you can upload a site icon to use as a favicon. And now you can see it appear in the Browser tab. Let's save this. Under Fonts, you can alter the fonts used on the site. Content throughout the site has been placed into 4 groups. Body font, this is used for all the body throughout the site, like post and page content or sidebar widgets. Text logo font, this is only used if you've set the theme options to use a text logo rather than an image logo. Heading font, this is used for all large headings on the site, post titles, widget titles, subheadings and content and so on. And finally, the non-body font. This is used for things like the menu, buttons, post date, categories and tags and so on. For each group, you can choose the font you'd like to show. You can use a standard font like Georgia or any Google Web font. If you're using Google Fonts, visit google.com/fonts and click Add to Collection for each font you want to use on the site. Once you've selected them all, click on Use at the bottom right. Select any weights you want to use from the checkboxes. Scroll down to step 3. Under the Standard tab, copy just the link inside the href parameter and paste it into the Google font box in WordPress. Clicking on the code in Google Fonts will select the whole code, so you may need to paste into a text editor so you can select just the href to copy and paste. Let me show you what I mean. Now I'm going to copy the part I need and paste it into the Google Font URL box. Go back to Google Fonts and scroll down to step 4. Copy the code between the font family and the semicolon and paste it into the font box for the group you want in WordPress. I'm going to copy everything again into a text editor so I can select the parts I want. And again for the other font. Now I've updated my fonts. I've got new title fonts, new menu fonts, and new body text fonts. If I liked this combination, I'll click Save and Publish. Here though, I'm not going to. We can also adjust the colors. The first 4 color settings control the same groups of text as described for the fonts: body color, text logo color, heading color, and non-body color. And there's further color options down here. The main theme color controls the link hover color as well as some of the other hover backgrounds, such as hovering over a drop-down menu item or buttons. The text color on top of the main theme color is used whenever text appears on top of such a hover background. In other words, whenever I'm hovering and I see this dark green background, the text is going to be white. Alternate background color is used as an alternative background color for some buttons, such as the Continue Reading button, More Links, and the Subscribe form background. And here's the text color on top of that background, white in this case. You can also choose your social icon color, which is the color of the social icons in the menus. There's also an option to use inverted border buttons. This is a special option which inverts the color of buttons so they display with a border only, rather than a solid background. Here's what I mean by an inverted border button. You can customize these colors as much as you like.